Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki Moi here. This look today is a double eyeliner with a neon pink. So if you guys love this look and want to see how I got it, continue watching. Okay, so as always, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild brow pencil in the shade brown. I'm just shaping out her eyebrows, and then I'm going to use my spoolie brush, which will brush out all the product, like move the product around to where we want it. So I am using the NYX eyebrow gel in the shade brown. It just helps fill in the negative spaces in the eyebrows more and just give it a better finish. The P.Louise base in the shade 2 is what I'm going to use for underneath the brows, just to conceal them and give it a sharper look. I actually liked using this. It helped the eyeshadows pop more. It was a better canvas than what I used to use, so I will be using this more. Thank you, P.Louise. So right now I'm just pressing in the product just to make sure it's an even layer. We don't want it to be clunky or anything. We need a flat surface for our eyeshadow. Love my Tarte shaped tape concealer, so I am going to use it just to carve out the top of the brows. It's also a really good shade for her skin tone, so that's all I'm doing is just carving it out, and then I will blend it out just to have no harsh lines. So after cleaning up the eyebrows, I am going in with my Airspun setting powder. I'm just going to set the canvas just so that we can make sure the eyeshadow has something to grab on and stick to. So first I'm going to take this brown shade and just put it in the outer corner area, basically our crease area. And with this tan color eyeshadow right here, we're just going to blend out the darker brown. It also is going to warm up the eyes and make sure that underneath the eyebrows it's not too light, make it look natural. a fluffy flat brush, I'm just going to take this beige eyeshadow and just pat it in the middle of the eyeball. That's how I usually do my neutral shades. I felt like I needed to give the crease more depth, so the only way to do that is to just go in with a darker shade. I'm going in with a darker brown, and then I'm just going to blend that out, and it's just going to make everything look more blended. I love this eyeliner, y'all. I'm gonna put it in the comments down below, so y'all can see it. Like, y'all have to go buy it. I will drop the link down below. So I just want a nice sharp eyeliner on her, and this is how I achieve my eyeliner. So this is my sister dancing, y'all. Look at that eyeshadow look. Wow. But like, I was so angry. Y'all don't understand. The point of this was to really show this double eyeliner, and it didn't go down that way. So like, I'm really upset. But back to the program. I'm going in with the Maybeline Fit Me 338. I'm not over it, sorry. I'm going in with the foundation. I'm using my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna get this foundation all over her face. So I am placing my concealer like the T-zone area, so her cheeks, bridge of her nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and her chin. Okay. So with this contour shade, I just want to make sure we get her face warm again. So we're just going to use this as a bronzer and put it where the shadow would hit if she was like straight on light. So yeah, we're just contouring the forehead, right underneath where the peak of her cheeks would be. We're just like transforming the face, basically. And now I'm going to blend out everything. Make sure it's a seamless foundation, no harsh lines on the face, and that's just, I use the beauty blender. Oh, make sure your beauty blender is damp, y'all. We don't use dry beauty blenders. Damp. Go wet it. As you can see, I already set my sister's face. I used the Juvias Place KALAHARI setting powder. It has a yellow undertone, which I actually like, definitely for her skin tone. It's really nice. So with this eyeshadow palette, I used that pink color just for blush. And then if you saw in the top right corner, there's a brown. I actually used that brown eyeshadow to contour, set the contour, which was basically to help bronze her face. So now I'm just using a face brush that's just brushing away all the setting powder from the face. Then I'm going to spray her face with a setting spray, which will take away the powdery look as well. So I like to have the eyes like have a tight line. So I'm just using this black eyeliner from NYX and just going under the waterline there. Then I'm going to kind of blend that out with a brown eyeshadow. So you can use any mascara, but right now I'm using Fenty Beauties mascara, and I'm just doing the bottom lashes and the top lashes to prepare for our false lashes. So I love these lashes. They are from my brand ACCosmetics. They are EYESHADOW XR. They're my favorite, like seriously my favorite. I will make sure I will leave the link down below for you guys to go buy it. Sis said, give me a brown look, give me a brown lip. You always go with nude. So I'm giving her a brown lip. I'm using NYX Lingerie's lipstick in the shade Beauty Mark. Actually, Beauty Mark was my very first lingerie lipstick I bought. So to see it like actually on her is like really cool because I never used it. And I am applying this lipstick with a disposable lipstick brush. I will leave the link down below for you guys. I actually got it from Amazon. So right now I'm taking this small little brush. It's a lip brush actually. And I'm just cleaning up the lips after the lipstick. I also didn't like how dark around the lips it was looking, so this is how I'm brightening up the lips, y'all. Okay, so now I'm showing me bronze the face again. Using that brown shade in the Zulu palette. Now I'm taking my ACCosmetics highlight main chick, just putting it where we want the highlighted areas. The chin, Cupid's bow, the nose. I did her cheeks. And I did also go right underneath the arch of the eyebrow. Like when you take pictures, it just looks beautiful to have highlight underneath the arch of the eyebrow. Ah, look at sis feeling herself. She loved this look, y'all. I love this look. I hope you love this look. If you did, drop a comment down below and let me know. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget Teaching Tuesdays with Kiki.